trying to work out how many Art Attack scrapbooks I've filled with your work. Well, there's 12 here, and that's just in the last 2 weeks. And I've got the rest of them stored behind my big paint box. Oh, I'm not complaining, because it's all brilliant. Just have a look at some of this lot. Now, Luke's painting of the house has been done with brightly coloured poster paints, thickly applied, like oil paint. Good technique. I wonder if it's his house. Chloe has used a really original technique for this one. The blurry lines of the wool give this a real dreamy feel. And Fiona's used cut-up magazines in similar colours for her sunset picture. All those squares give it a real mosaic-y feel. Joe's used layers of paper, snowflake cutouts and black poster prints for his Art Attack. Just like a Christmas card, isn't it? And Kirsty's printed Art Attack is lovely. It looks like the design for a trendy pillowcase or curtains. Brilliant. Ellie's used all manner of paper and card for her collage. I love the enormous butterflies settling on the brightly coloured blooms. And Jessica's unusual way of drawing her garden chair is made up of lots of lines. So how did you do it, Jessica?
I sketched out a rough design in pencil first. I then used straight colour felt tip pen lines to finish it off.
Yep, great Art Attack. Hey, and a great technique, creating a picture using straight lines. But what about a picture using wobbly lines? Try this. Decide what image you're going to draw. I think I'm going to draw a house, a street, maybe a car, and then just draw it out of wobbly lines. Now, as you're drawing your picture, instead of using any straight line, just use wobbly lines like that. Just go over that one there. And just keep wobbling. No straight lines at all in your picture. That's the rule. Just wobbly lines. In fact, everything is wobbly. And a car down here, again, in wobbly lines. And see what's happening? You're creating a picture that has its own style. Look at that, even the wheels are wobbly. And how about a wobbly tree? Just to finish it off, a wobbly sun up there. And a couple of wobbly clouds. They're wobbly anyway. Maybe I should draw straight clouds. Nah, the rule is wobbliness. God, it's making me feel wobbly looking at that lot. So when you've done your wobbly picture, then you need to colour it in with wobbles. There we go. Let's try a roof there, and just wobbly lines again. How about a sort of light bricky colour for the house? And your wobbly lines don't need to be neat or anything. I mean, let's face it. Have you ever seen a wobbly line that's neat? How's about the trees? Try this. Try doing sort of wobbly circles like that. That's allowed, as long as it's wobbly. I'm going to do the clouds blue. And the car, a nice fluorescent pink. And the wheels, of course, like wobbles. And then, how's about a nice bumpy, wobbly road? Go through there. Looks like a river, that, doesn't it? How about a grass verge, I think? And one final wobble on the red front door. And there it is, a seriously wobbly picture. Good, isn't it? Very psychedelic, very graphic design. And you can use this style on any picture you want. How about a horse? Or maybe even a peacock? Or how about this? A plane. And you know, I think it gives movement to your picture as well, in a weird sort of way. Try it yourself. Wobbly pictures. And don't forget, you can check out the website for fact sheets on this and all the other Art Attacks in the show. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra.